Hey everyone, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're going to be watching this one called JIMIN'S Talent Explosion Moments. So there's been at least 15 people, I want to say, that linked me this exact video, so I was like, okay, it must be super good, I have to check it out. So today we're doing exactly that. Let's see what it's about. Hopefully you guys are excited, but before we actually jump into the video, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and if you want to see my exclusive reactions to BTS run episodes and BTS Bon Voyage, make sure to check out my Patreon. The link is down below. Alright, let's go. Korean. What did it say? A versatile talent of Jimin. Start. Microphone spin. Okay. Oh, okay. I see what they're talking about. Oh, nice. Ooh. That's like a pan spin. I can't do a pan spin, but I've seen other people doing it. But with a mic, I don't know if it's actually more difficult than or easier than with a pan. Ooh, that was smooth.
Because they're all so incredible. Ooh. They're such dedicated performers, and
yeah, just casually playing with it.
That I wanted to do choreography.
Man, that's pretty cool.
I've never done choreography in a dance video before, so it was something. I
wouldn't say it's necessarily a talent. It's just a little skill, a little trick that you can learn. Kick, take one down. Oh, kinda missed it. I remember Jungkook hit it, right? He hit the cap. Oh, damn. That was good. And did you see how high he was off the ground? Let's take a look once again. Maybe a wider shot right here. Let me find it. Oh, so that's at least 2 meters high. 2 meters in the air, man, and so you gotta kick the thing and you gotta land properly so you don't actually fall on your side or on your back. Ooh, yeah, it does look good. If I remember right, both Jungkook and Jimin did some kind. Jimin did some kind of martial art, right? I'm sure about Jungkook, but... Oh, yeah. I'm sure Jimin did something as well. Flexibility. Oh! Man, I'm so... For some reason, I'm so jealous of people who can do splits. I wish I was this flexible. I think I gotta start working on it myself. Because I feel like you just, your body becomes healthier because you move easier. It's, you know, your body moves how it's supposed to move when everything is working correctly and when you're nice and flexible. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. At this point, I would be screaming in pain if J.O. was doing that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the angle. Bruh. No way, no way. Well, that's okay. That's not that difficult. Graceful fall. Oh, this is cool. Ooh. Wow. Flexible up to the fingers. Transparent box. Oh. That's. Wow. Did you guys see that? Wow, this is so cool. This is why he's such a good dancer, I'm telling you, because he's got great body control, so he can really isolate every part of his body and keep it stationary like this. This is pretty insane. Wow. Man, I'm so impressed by this. So far, this little skill of his has been the most impressive one. Because I've never seen other people I've never seen this challenge before, and other people doing it. This is cool. Sketchbook spin. Balance. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Yeah, nice.
둘, 셋. 아이, 괜찮아. 오버했죠? 오버했죠?
Okay. Alright, second round. Come on, go. Bruh, yeah, still close. Martial arts. Oh. Wow. Oh. Good recovery. Cool. And you gotta really commit to these moves, because if you kind of do them, if you chicken out, I don't think they're gonna work out, and you're just gonna fall. You gotta push off nice and strong. Yeah. Ooh. Really gotta go for it. That's cool. Oh yeah, J-Hope. Let's not forget about J-Hope. Look, he's showing some flexibility right there. Look at this. He's folding himself backwards like this. Great. And look at this. He sees Jimin's face at this moment. Okay. So Jimin's face actually is the closest to J-Hope's face. Like, it's not Jimin's leg or anything. It's his face. That's pretty. It must be pretty funny being J-Hope in that moment. Whoa. Oh, I remember that dance from their Mama performance. Turn and spin. Commercial. Yeah. So these are his, what is it called, contemporary dancing skills that he got from attending that dancing school, dancing academy when he was younger. Running. Oh. Oh. His hair is on fire, look at that, it's burning. To be fair, though, I don't think he's the best runner because he's not the tallest person. Even though he's definitely fast, I think he might have a little bit of disadvantage because of being a little shorter and having shorter legs. But still, look at that, he's doing so great. The snag toss. Hell yeah. Ooh. He catches it every time. Nice. J-Hope, you wanna try? Oh, he caught it again. Nice. Ooh. What is he catching? What are these? Kind of looks like popcorn. Oh, he got it. He got it. Boom. Ducks and drakes. Yeah. By the way, if you haven't seen my reactions to season 4 of BTS Bon Voyage, then go check it out. It's on my Patreon. I'm on episode 8 at the moment, the final episode. Football lifting. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I play soccer, but I'm not very good at this. Yeah, good ball control. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that, 45. Nice. Uh-huh. Modern dance. That's what it's called. Oh. What do you think, guys? I think I will do some reactions to his full performances of him doing modern dancing like this. Maybe this exact performance. We'll see. We'll see. Because I haven't done it yet. This is like a little highlight reel. Okay, great video, really enjoyed it. I have to say though that I think most of these were skills and not talents, so something that you can actually learn, and he learned it as well. And some were really impressive. Some surprised me a lot, especially that, what was it called? Invisible box challenge. That was just, I got shook, or junk shook right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you actually did, then don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and of course click that bell. I'll see you all ever later in my next one. As always, take care, keep listening to great music, and work on improving yourself, improving your talents and skills, just like Jimin, and love.